Are you still paying for a separate writing tool, a separate image generator, and a separate social media planner? Well, you're working way too hard and spending way too much. I finally found one single dashboard that handles my entire creative workflow in half the time and for a fraction of the cost. Chatbot App AI is an all-in-one place for your AI needs. It's got everything: ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, all in one place for one simple subscription. 30 plus leading AI models all in this one place. It's built for writers and content creators, whether it's building captions, making title posts, blog posts, other posts, and social media planning without having to juggle between multiple different apps at once. You get one single dashboard for chat, image generation, and document analysis. And as you can imagine, you can generate high quality infographics from some simple text prompts where you write your scripts. And right now you can start your free trial for just $1. All right, so we are on the chatbotapp.ai right now, and we're gonna basically just walk you through how this works. You got 15 chat models, 3 image models, top level security. It's all super easy. And one thing I like straight off the bat is just how sleek and minimalist the design actually feels. You got everything: DeepSeek, you got chat through OpenAI, Mistral 7B, one French one that hasn't been used so regularly. They're all here for you to actually go ahead and test. We've got Claude, of course, and big hitters such as Google Gemini as well. In terms of the features, you can switch between the models. You've got the voice chat, the image generation, of course, and the talk to PDF, which I've found particularly helpful in the past too. Let's go ahead and try it now. All right, so we're in the little dashboard here. So let's go ahead and have a look at this in real time to see how this works. So I've got a little apps section here where we can actually choose the app that we do want to use within the subscription, and you can actually go ahead and customize that. There's a recently used section as well as an image generation section too. So basically we're clicking into the image generation section. So I like the fact that there is actually a specific one just for image generation, and you can actually choose which AI model you actually want to use. You've got ones such as Seed Dream 4.0, Nano Banana Pro. Everything's basically here. You can set the style up, everything here. So we can go ahead and pop this in here. Modern Instagram infographic about productivity tips, blue and white theme. So that's going to process now and pop something up. I'm going to see how this looks. So that actually turned out pretty good. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments what you think about the outcome of that prompt via this image generation here. I think it's pretty sleek, pretty fancy, and we can just make it nice and big right here and have a bit of a look at what we can see. So pretty cool little infographic if you ask me. And you can do little things like make it holographic, medieval vibe in terms of the styles and everything like this. Change the background, the subject, the paint colors, and of course you can download and X out when you're ready. Okay, so we've got OpenAI GPT at 5.5, and we can pop a create structured content plan for a productivity YouTube. So let's pop this open here. Here's a plug. So this gives us some ideas on how to construct our next YouTube video. I'm probably assuming there's going to be a lot of bloggers, vloggers watching this, and yeah, look, let's be real. It's not easy to come up with YouTube ideas, YouTube planning for maximum execution these days. So I think this is a pretty cool feature to have right here, if you ask me. And look, really clear, really concise, straight to the point, and you can choose again between your different models. We've got them all here, particularly for chat. You can scroll down, we've got them for Claude. So if you just want to use basic Claude here, we can go on and actually do the side-by-side comparison. Rewrite this with a more emotional storytelling and a relatable tone with Claude. Pop that one in there. Okay, so here we go. Here's the same content plan rewritten. As you can see, it's rewriting it again with the structure, the video plan, all the important stuff that we need to see. Nice. The light bulb moment, the game changer, how I actually plan my days now. Awesome. Nice. So it gives us the whole structure there. Good and ready to go. Nice, beautiful. So I'm pretty happy with that. And of course you can access on the go with your mobile device as well. So it's all here, and that is how it's going to be looking on your mobile device. Simple, easy, and you can start getting involved with that now, okay? You can access it on the go, and yeah, basically do it nice and easily through any browser at all. And yeah, in terms of the pricing, it's good. Minus 70% if you go for the yearly. The most popular one is the Pro package, billed at $19.99 per month, $39.99 for the one after that, and it's $0 just to basically get started in the beginning. So yeah, I just love the idea of being able to switch between the different AIs there. Claude, we can go for creative storytelling, for example. ChatGPT, we can actually use that for more structured analysis. And then you can actually easily compare your answers side by side really quickly and efficiently. And it's really cool to see how new models are actually added and launched at no extra cost when they do become available. And it's really cool that you can start and script your ideas over all creative devices. So for example, if I start on my laptop while I'm traveling, for example, and then maybe I'm at a business meeting and I've got maybe a gap between two meetings, I can actually get the job finished on my phone through the browser. So that's really helpful too. And yet, while there is no actual official app just yet, it's still extremely efficient through the browser. And as mentioned earlier, the Pro plan is only $19.99 per month, which essentially saves you $70 per month compared to having multiple subscriptions if you were to get those same subscriptions that are included in Chatbot app. Stop paying for 3 different creative tools. Click the link in my description now to start your $1 trial of Chatbot app AI and get every AI model you need to scale your content today. If you did enjoy today's video, folks, please do consider smashing that like button. It would really help us out. Do subscribe if you want to see more content, and make sure you hit the notification bell so you don't miss fresh content when it comes out to help you get ahead of the game. And comment in this video what you thought about today's AI project. See you next time.